Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Sahana HB, studying Computer Science and Engineering in SVCE. My library ID is 23CS1812. Subject is Principles of Programming using C. Today's topic is Compilers and Operators in C. Compilers. In the context of C programming, a compiler is a software tool that translates human-readable C source code into machine code or an intermediate code that can be executed by a computer. The completion process involves several stages including pre-processing, completion, assembling, and linking. Here is a brief overview of each stage. One is pre-processing. The preprocessor stage involves processing directives that begin with hash symbol. Common directives include hash include for including header files, hash define for defining macros, and others. The preprocessor performs text substitution and prepares the code for completion. And the next is compilation. In this stage, the compiler translates the preprocessed C code into assembly code or an intermediate representation. It involves lexical analysis, syntax analysis, semantic analysis, optimization, and code generation. The output is often in the form of assembly code or an intermediate language like assembly language or mission independent code. Next one is assembly. The assembly stage converts the intermediate code generated by the compiler into machine code specific to the target architecture. It produces an object file, which is binary file containing a machine code and data in a format that the linker can understand. Next is linking. The linking stage combines multiple object files and libraries into a single executable program. It resolves references between files, ensuring that functions and variables are properly connected. The output is executable file that can be run on the computer. In the context of C programming, some commonly used compilers include GNU Compiler Collection. GCC is a popular open source compiler collection that supports multiple programming languages including C, C++, and Fortran. It is widely used on Unix-like operating system and it is also available on that platforms. Next is Clang. Clang is a compiler front end for the C, C++, and objective programming languages. It is designed to be compatible wide and aims to provide better diagnostic and improve compilation speed. When you write a C program, you typically use a text editor to create the source code. The source code is then saved with the inverted comma .c extension. To compile and run the program, you use a command line interface or an integrated development environment, that is IDE, that includes a compiler. The specific commands or options used for compilation may vary depending on the compiler and platform you are using. And the next topic is operators in C. In C programming, operators are symbols used to perform operation on variables and values. They can be classified into several categories based on their functionality. Here are some common types of operators in C. First one is arithmetic operators used for basic mathematical operation. The examples addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus, that is remainder. And moving on to the next slide, the next Next is relational operators. It is used to compare values, that is equal to, not equal to, and greater than. Next is logical operators. It is used to perform logical operations. Example, logical and, logical or logical gate. Moving on to the next slide, next operator. Assignment operators. It is used to assign values to variables. Next is increment and decrement operators. It is used to increase or decrease the value of a variable by 1. Next is bitwise operators. It is used to perform operation at the bit level. Next is conditional operator. Provides a conscious way to express an if-else statement. Moving on to the next. Size of the operator. Returns the size in bytes of a data type or object. Next is comma operator. It allows multiple expressions to be combined into a single statement. Last one is pointer operators. It is used in pointer manipulation. And these are the operators provide the building blocks for performing various operations in C. Understanding their use and precedence is crucial for writing correct and efficient C programs. Operator precedence determines the order in which operators are evaluated in an expression. Parentheses can be used to override the default precedence. And thank you everyone for watching the video.